This is the adjusting lever, and if you want to take the top of the hopper off, you just unscrew this one. Look around on the back, there's two little tabs here. Push those in and it pops off. If you want to get into the stones, you just unscrew this adjuster block. This is the top stone, which just lifts off and it sits in these slots, and as you can see there's two little springs here. You can actually take them out and they will jump out if you lift up the mill and try to clean it, or it gets knocked. So just keep an eye that they're there, and then when you want to put it back together again, you slot those back down like this, and you can see it's bouncy, resting on the springs. Then you can screw the top back on. There is also a little thing here which you screw the lever into. Make sure that is on this side, the right hand side of the spout when you put the top on. Click down and then you can screw this one back in again.